Tense. Present, past, future. Subtenses. Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. He rides a bike. Simple present. He rode a bike. Simple past. He will ride a bike. Simple future. He is riding a bike. Present continuous. He was riding a bike. Past continuous. He will be riding a bike. Future continuous. He has ridden a bike. Present perfect. He had ridden a bike. Past perfect. He will have ridden a bike. Future perfect. He has been riding a bike since the morning. Present perfect continuous. He had been riding a bike since 8 a.m. Past perfect continuous. He will have been riding a bike at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Future perfect continuous. Thank you.